In DHCP for Beginners Part 1, I gave a high-level explanation of the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP. Today, I'll talk about what happens behind the scenes when DHCP is put to work. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain DHCP in more detail, including some of its advantages and potential disadvantages. As you know, DHCP is a network management protocol used within a network. It dynamically assigns an IP address to any device or node on a network so they can communicate. DHCP offers a framework for sending configuration data to hosts on a TCP IP network. Rather than requiring network administrators to manually assign IP addresses to all network devices, DHCP automates and centrally controls these configurations. Both small, local networks and large, enterprise networks can use DHCP. DHCP uses User Datagram Protocol, UDP, port 67 and 68 to transmit messages. The DHCP server port, 67, is used for DHCP messages sent from a client to a server, while the DHCP client port 68 is used for DHCP messages sent from a server to a client. There are some great advantages for using a DHCP in a network. The automatic issuance of IP addresses to requesting clients is made possible through DHCP, which is simple to set up. Therefore, the time required to manually configure IP addresses is decreased. IP addresses are not assigned in duplicate or incorrectly. This prevents conflicts and other issues. DHCP simplifies the administration of the network. I'm sure you agree that using DHCP in your network is very beneficial. But you also know that nothing is 100% perfect, so there are some potential disadvantages. The DHCP server can be a single point of failure in networks. In the absence of the DHCP server, the client cannot connect to the network. And it's possible for unauthorized DHCP clients to obtain IP addresses. Now that you know more about DHCP, you can use it to effectively assign IP addresses in your network. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.